When I left my main AirPods Pro 2 at school last Thursday, I briefly switched back to my first generation AirPods Pro after using my AirPods Pro 2 since December 2022. How are they now, though? Let's dive into it. These AirPods worked flawlessly when I reused them, which is odd given that these AirPods often fail to connect to my devices when these were my main AirPods. In fact, these AirPods connected so poorly that I switched to my even older AirPods Pro 2 when my AirPods Pro 2 broke in July 2023. The videos which explain that saga I will link in this video's description. However, just because these AirPods Pro 1 function flawlessly for me now doesn't mean that they'll be perfect for you. Firstly, I got these AirPods Pro 1 for Christmas in 2021 and used them until I was gifted my AirPods Pro 2 for Christmas in 2022. Therefore, the battery life on my pair of AirPods Pro 1 is unusually good, as the first AirPods Pro released in 2019, so many units have experienced significantly more wear, especially with battery life compared to mine. Secondly, AirPods Pro 1 are notorious for issues such as often not connecting in my scenario, earwax clogging up their microphones to disable active noise cancellation and transparency modes, their speakers rattling inside, among numerous other issues. So are the first AirPods Pro still worth it in 2025, 6 years later? I would say that if you want a new pair of earbuds to either buy AirPods Pro 2 because they offer far more features such as the ability to charge with an Apple Watch charger, a speaker on their case for Find My, a lanyard attachment, and more. However, the only scenario in which I advise buying the first generation AirPods Pro is if you're on a tight budget of $50 and need or want new earbuds. These will be far superior to any other $50 pair of earbuds. Do you still use the original AirPods Pro, or did you? If so, what are your experiences with them? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.